My daughter's just bought her own home, so she needed a vacuum cleaner. This seems ideal.
I wanted a good cleaner that I could store in a cupboard.
It sucks up all the pet hairs with ease.
Easy to carry, easy to use, it's just easy. The power cord is long and has cable rewind, so it stores neatly back into the machine. And with the extended pipe, it makes it easier for me to clean those cobwebs.
It's quiet but really powerful. It took so much dust out of my mattress.
It's so quiet that my cat even lets me vacuum around her.
It's brilliant on hardwood floors and carpets and has constant powerful suction. It appears to be well built, and with a 6-year guarantee, it will probably outlive me.